Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 11 of remote learning. Today we're going to start a new unit, which is the International Fair unit. We will plan, make, and present projects for the George J. Ryan Middle School's International Fair. This year's fair is a little different from what you are all used to, because it will be the first all-digital international fair our school has done. Over the next few days, you will be choosing what type of project you want to make, what you want to focus on, and who you are going to be working with. Today, however, we are going to get started by sharing a little about each of our countries of origin. So in the Google Doc that I have posted in Google Classroom, I want you to write one paragraph about the country you are from. In this paragraph, you can share as much as you want. It should not be less than 5 to 7 sentences. Make sure to include a lot of information about your country in your response, and try to focus on what you love about your country. Please be sure to turn in your work when you are done. That is all you will need to do for today's assignment. If you have any questions, you know how to contact me. Send me a message via Google Classroom or write me an email. Have fun!